Get your head down. I will tell you. Keep your head up. And I will hold you closer. I will hold you close. Take your questions by the millions. Put your coat on. Steal your kisses. And I will hold you closer. I will hold you close. When you come undone or turn and run, I'll be the one with the morning in your best parades or worst of days. I will remain like the morning. Roll your fists up. Let your words cut. And defenses, throwing each punch.